In here. No.
Don't do snowball.
I could put whatever I want to put on there.
Ooh.
No, it has to be either blast ball where you guys are kicking it on teams or snowball. I do not want something where it's individual. Or there's tag domination.
Tag domination, tag domination.
One way out.
Tag domination.
Or capture the flag, that's it. Okay, protect your flag, capture theirs. So you're going to be capturing others, okay?
Bet. Bet.
13. Energy per question, I'll keep 1,000, whatever. You're capturing somebody else's flag. What I'll do is we'll try to get it over there.
We're going to be in groups?
That's what a team is.
Who was absent yesterday? Were you absent? No.
Hi, miss.
Back there.
I say that.
I get star scores back before we do dissection. You won't be. You'll be doing tutoring.
Hi, everyone.
No, I'll give you one. Go sit down. You keep getting up and down. Go.
On the screen.
No more.
I remember this.
Why am I so wrong? Why am
Ooh.
My guy, get over here.
Vortex.
Or get out.
Jocelyn Thornton. Wesley. Rico.
All right. Here we go. Right now. Here we go. Ready? And.
Welcome to Vortex. Hi, guys. Mario.
Are you serious right now?
Oh, okay. Why does it this touch?
Why does it take all my dang energy?
So what is that? I don't want to hear you. No more.
Ooh.
You have a seat right here. You asked too many questions.
Ooh. Shit.
Yo.
But same thing.
Well, I don't know. They took it away, so I just picked it up. I started the game. I don't know what the code is. They had a bunch of them in a room. They took all of them out of our room, and I just took one off. Like, you guys took away my code before I did it.
Alright, what do I do?
They took my. Turn around, Gerald. Are you working?
What do I do? Do I just...
And then they took my.
How'd you die? I see you.
Like, and then they put this too far down.
You're on my team.
So I had to go tell them they gotta put it up further.
Whoa, what? Ow! What do I do? What do I do? I'm so confused.
You guys are separated in groups that I put you guys in for tomorrow and the next day. We're doing 4 days, but not Tuesday.
What do I even do?
Little tickies. That's a video.
You're not him.
Different one. But they need to put a board in here. I need to write on something. Yeah, but it's too low. It's like kids way back there. How are they gonna see over everybody's head down here? Only you guys probably can see this. Yeah, but the ones who are like blind way in the back over there. You know how like seeing.
This isn't fair because I have to record. And whenever I record, I use more energy while walking. Jocelyn, what do I do?
Everybody's on it, yes? You know how to play capture the flag?
Yes.
Does everybody know what acceleration means? What does it mean?
God damn it!
To go on a curve?
Shut the hell up.
Velocity has direction in it. And what is speed? Distance and time.
Where do I get it?
You pick it up. That's how you get it. Genius.
Brandon,
Ooh.
or somebody click on the little person right there.
That's crazy. Oops. An airplane takes off. Oh, really?
Let's go. There it is for the ones who didn't get in. Whoa.
I saw this has said velocity and speed and.
I don't even know how y'all play this game.
Miss, you have to answer a question. Wait, what does this do?
Volume on this thing?
Oh, I need that.
Where's Zita? Is Zita here?
I think he just. Give me the fuck.
Ethan's not here.
Ooh.
Where are you hearing the voice? I mean, where are you hearing the music?
This is so hard, bro.
Top 3 winners get candy. Velocity, speed, and direction. All those reds, you guys know you can star on.
Don't. I'm running away. I don't know what I'm doing.
You should have seen me. I took
1 second. Oh, that's a waste. Whoa, you're just camping, you loser. Bro, they're camping me. I'm not gonna make it. I'm out of energy. I got it. Get the flag, bitch. Oh, curved and oh, it's the same thing. God damn it. Oh, it's the same. God damn it. Oh god. Alright, one more. Alright, let's go. Oh, I get it. Okay, I got this.
You better know if you're getting a lot of red, you're struggling over there. It is tested.
Come on, DeAndre.
Is the green light on?
Oh, well then I'll save up for this then.
All those reds.
Miss, shut up. Ow.
Play it now or I'm moving these two away from you. You're just sitting there waiting.
Same damn thing. Damn it. Fucking goofy. Bitch. Give me that shit. How much is more?
I'm gonna go through your packets to see who didn't do their work yesterday. And give you guys a grade for participation. I did all of them.
Chill out.
Let's see who did do it. Oh, how did you just tag me? I was over here.
Why is my kite? How are you so fast? Whoa, Leilani, do something, you bitch. What? I already got tagged. No, that'd be very helpful if it was useful. I probably should have been doing that. What is this? 30,000 energy? What? I'm not buying that shit, bitch. And someone actually built it. Okay, that's just great. That's amazing. They better been on our team. If not, then I'm screwed.
Gerald, were you absent yesterday?
What? Micah, you're just standing there the whole game. Do something, babe. I didn't call him anything. I got taken out, not kicked out, genius.
I thought you were Who's cheering?
Bro, you're
Can't play.
We won. We won.
Whatever.
We win. They got none. Losers, idiot, dumbass, fucking retarded. I'm kidding.
Alright, keep playing.
Miss, we finished. I won.
Oh, do yesterday's exit ticket, hurry up.
Miss, we won. We're better than everyone.
Hey guys, watch this.
Wow, do yesterday's exit ticket.
Brandon, what was that,
Let's go Zena, let's go DeAndre, let's go DeAndre, let's go Waco, let's go Wesley, let's go Leilani, let's go Karina, let's go Genesis, let's go Ruby, let's go Danielle, let's go Joel, and Joel, let's go Gerald, let's go Brianna, let's go.
No, I'm already writing you up. Yes. No. You're getting written up on the phone now, right?
That's bad. That's bad.
Nah, I want to miss Interval. I want to miss Interval.
One
Call
hour
her name.
you
I want to miss
I
Interval.
called her name and you ignored me.
Who?
Me.
No, but Miss Interval said go this way. And I went
That's
that way.
bad.
That's not cat. She literally said go this way.
You literally called it to her. What's her name?
Yeah, she
I was
said,
even Miss Interval.
She
And
said-
Zayden was there.
she said go that way.
Exactly. Miss Zayden was there too.
That's what does.
It's because I ran up, I walked to the other
Oh, you
side.
walked over there. I didn't. I just stayed over there.
I wanted to stay, but then Miss prevented me.
Hey, get rid of it.
Miss, are you gonna run me up? Miss, how you doing?
I'm not even, you know we go this way,
But
and you
Miss
didn't even
Interval
try to
said go
go.
that way.
Yeah. It's alright, I have next period off, I have time to,
Ooh.
Grounded for another month.
everybody else is there, they
Yo,
show
I'm, bro,
you
I'm looking at it.
you know the assignment. You know where to go.
That's your fault, bro.
Bro, they said go that way.
Either way, you know we go this way though.
No, I don't.
If you notice that's not your class and we're not out there,
Miss, but I was the first one out of the class. And I
and
was
we always go this way.
I just went that way because everyone was going that way.
Tomorrow, room 37,
Oh.
I'll even be over here next to Miss Rodriguez's class.
Oh,
I'm Mr. Ramsey? Mr. Ramsey's class, you have assigned area, so I have you guys assigned in groups. There's gonna be 4 to 5 teachers in there helping, so it's not just
4 to
him.
5.
He's got one
45.
station, I have one station, no computers. We'll have
No, she's about to make us stay in that class after the bell.
Okay,
The buzzer buttery.
room 37.
Yeah.
God.
Yes, sir.
What? Yeah, did you say?
Miss, I'm actually gonna write you up.
Get over here.
Who is?
I'm gonna get out of this. Gonna write you up.
Brandon? Yeah.
Questions answered correctly, entire class 423. Jediah, we won. If there's a fire,
You can hear me, class one? Alright. Be ready to work tomorrow. Everything's hands-on, activities, and Fridays, and Monday. You do get graded. We have to wait till okay, question period needed? You good now?
It's outside. Come outside. Come outside.
Not again. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna pass away. That'd probably be a good thing, though, honestly. At least to some people, not me. Wyatt. Wyatt, I got in trouble for saying happy birthday. Zachariah Dennis! I got in trouble for saying happy birthday.
Oh, then I forgot you got to go.
What is happening?
What happened, bro?
I win! How did you? I win! Fire drill.
How did you get your
Today, bro. Are you going to read? I did ask. You need to go.
Yeah, we gave it.
She just sent you back? No. We haven't even entered class yet. And still pipsqueak. Pips.
Okay, if nobody says, alright,
Hey there.
that's rare.
Miss, I got in trouble for saying happy birthday. Ooh.
Why you say happy birthday, though? Happy birthday.
Miss, that's what I mean by Miss Fetish is just rude.
Oh, she literally ran over everything.
Same to Miss Ramos when I said happy birthday.
And Miss Ramos got like 9 years.
They're still watching TikToks and
You don't know me, bro. I got in trouble for saying happy birthday.
So she just sent you back.
Stop.
Bruh, it's better things like that's like a.
She thinks she's the god.
Hurry up. Can we sit down?
Zachariah, why is your paper over there?
You got that.
Why is your paper over there?
Okay.
for sure.
No, put your hands over the person. Automatic PPIX.
Wait,
Well, miss, he's harassing me. Sit down, Cardell. Where do you sit?
Everybody, actually, abortion can do
go in, excuse me, go in. Hey.